Looks like the ducks wanted to come get some food too. Come here, duckies. Come here, ducks. I got you right here. Get back, birds. That's for the ducks. Grand Rising, y'all, Grand Rising. Out here with nature, you feel me? All praises to the Most High. Christ, Source. You already know. Now we rise, man. Free all the real ones. Rashad Jamal, Dr. Malachi Z. York. All the people innocent behind bars for speaking truth. You know what I'm saying? Grand Rising. We got many birds out here. Look at the pigeons trying to be savage against these poor ducks, man. Leave the ducks alone. Come here, duck. Come here, bro. Come here. Right here, I got one for you. Yeah, you got it. Good. Look at it. It went straight to him. I got you on the other one, too. Boom. Look at it. He got it, too. Oh, nah. Don't bring all the ducks. I don't even know if those were ducks. I forgot what those are called. I think those are heron. I could be wrong, though. I could be way wrong, but, you know. At least we remember the animals, man. Some in the trees, too. Grand Rising, you want some more ducks? The ducks gonna make me miss everything. Look at it. The ducks snatched that up. Swifter than the pigeons, it seems. Grand Rising, y'all. No more. All gone.